Hello students, in this class, in the series of chemical kinetics, we shall study that how can we determine the order of a reaction if we are given the unit of rate constant. See, for zero order reaction, we know that rate of reaction is equal to K concentration of reactant raised to the power 0. Here, rate of reaction is change of concentration of reactant with respect to time. This is equal to K, and A naught, A raised to the power 0 means it is 1. So, the change in concentration of reactant is given by mole per liter, and the unit of time is seconds. Then the unit of K becomes mole per liter per second. If this is the unit of rate constant, then we say that it is a zero order reaction. Now we come on to first order reaction. For first order reaction, rate of reaction is equal to K concentration raised to the power 1. Same rate of reaction is dA by dt is equal to K A raised to the power 1. Now dA by dt, dA means mole per liter, dt means second per second is equal to K. This is concentration mole per liter. Then mole per liter here, they cancel out, and unit of K means per second or per minute, whatever the case may be. So it is independent of the concentration of K is independent of the concentration, hence its unit is per second or per minute. So this is first order reaction. Now we come on to second order reaction. For second order reaction, rate of reaction is equal to K A concentration raised to the power 2. Here again dA by dt is equal to K A K. dA by dt mole per liter and dt seconds per second. K concentration raised to the power 2 mole square liter minus 2. It is mole per liter square, mole square liter minus 2. Then K will remain as mole liter minus 1 second minus 1 divided by mole square liter minus 2. Here it will be L minus 2, and minus 2 will come L square, and it will remain L minus 1 plus 2 L second minus 1, and what about mole? Mole square will go upside and it will become mole raised to the power minus 2, and here mole raised to the power 1, then it will be mole 1 or mole. So it will become mole liter. This is the sorry, mole minus 1. Here minus 2 will be there, plus 1, minus 2 minus 1. So it will be mole minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 liter per second. So this is the second order. For third order, dA by dt is equal to Ka3, again mole per liter per second. It will be K, and here it is mole cube liter per liter cube. So it will become mole minus 2 liter square second minus 1. So this is third order reaction. Mole per liter per second, and here mole cube liter square, and mole minus 2 and second. So this is the unit of K in case of third order reaction. So we have seen that by looking at the unit of rate constant, we can determine what is the order of the reaction. See, if it is per second, then what is the order? This is first order. If it is liter mole per second, then it is a second order. And if for zero order, the unit is mole. So by looking at the unit of rate constant, we can determine the order of reaction. Thank you for watching the video.